and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make frijoles charros. In case you guys want to learn how to make this delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe you're going to need 4 pounds of pinto beans. Here I have them picked and clean. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of oregano, salt, 2 garlic cloves, 2 small white onions, 4 Roman tomatoes, 1 jalapeño, 1 bunch of cilantro, 6 chile de árbol, 6 ounces of chicharrón. You can use the ones that are in the bag or the ones that they sell at your local meat market. We're going to need 1 tube of chorizo, 12 ounces of bacon, and 1 package of wieners. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, in a large pot I'm going to add my beans with the 2 garlic cloves. And I'm just going to fill up my pot halfway with water. I'm going to add my garlic cloves and salt. So now I'm just going to put my pot in medium-high heat and let them cook for about 2 hours. You want to make sure that you keep an eye on them and make sure that your beans stay with water. So check them every 30 minutes and make sure that your beans have, this amount of water. Alright guys, so it's been 2 hours and our beans are still not done cooking. We're going to wait a few more minutes and then meanwhile we can start chopping our vegetables and our bacon and wieners. So now we're just going to preheat our pot so we can start cooking our bacon, chorizo, the weenies, and the vegetables. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by putting in our bacon. I'm not going to put any oil because the bacon already has a lot of fat and it lets a lot of its oil out. So we're going to put the bacon in the chorizo. Alright, so once we have our chorizo broken down, we're going to add our weenies. So we're just going to cook that all together for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to add my mixture to my beans. And you guys, the 2 hours that I was cooking my beans, I only added water once. So now I'm just going to add the mixture. Just be careful because just mix it in there and then add your chiles árbol. Guys, in the same pot, I'm going to saute my vegetables. No room. So just until your onions become translucent, then we're going to add all of these vegetables with our beans. All right, so after 5 minutes, our vegetables should be done. So now we're just going to transfer them to the beans. Just be careful. Okay, and as you can see, our beans need some more water. So we're going to add more water. I'm just going to add the water to my pot so like that I can get all the leftover flavor. So I'm adding about 4 more cups of water. So now we're just going to wait for it to come to a simmer, and then we're going to try it for taste and then add the oregano. All right, so once you start seeing it come to a simmer, we're going to add the oregano. So stir it. And now taste it for salt. Mine are good, so I'm not going to add any salt. And then we're going to add the chicharrones. Mix it again. And now we're just gonna let it come to a simmer again, and then that's basically it. And this is perfect for your parties, your family gatherings. My favorite part is the chicharrones. Alright, and I like to add some lime.
Mom.
Ready? Smells so good, you guys. Make sure we grab a little bit of everything.
Oh.
Okay. Cheers. Short. Well, because it's still hot. It's like a soup. What?
So we're gonna sit here and blow for 2 minutes.
Ready? Super delicious. And you guys like the leftover? You know, I like to smash them like refried beans, you know, and they're so delicious. They're just perfect. Ready to sit down and enjoy? Let's go. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious frijoles charros. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. In the comments down below, let me know what is it that you call it in where you're from or in your country. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.